What are you eating?
Some eggs, some grits. Oh, there. Some Jack's breakfast.
Jack's breakfast is good.
Sir.
Welcome back, y'all. We got an awesome video. We got Firebird Austin. We got Chad the Turtle. Or what should be his nickname?
I don't know. I just met the guy. I think I got all the bad luck out of the way. I broke my phone.
So you broke your pump already,
Broke my phone.
and you was lost.
I was lost.
So hope.
Being 5 minutes away to 30.
Alright, y'all, well, we got these paddle boards. We're gonna try them out today. First time we're using them. And we got Firebird Austin for backup, just in case one blows up or pops. Water's already going down, ain't it?
I hit a few rocks.
Oh, I just hit some too. It's so long, dude. Come on.
Get my paddle right. You ever look up the homeless picture?
Everybody got them? For that 50-pound fish you got?
I was trying to get away.
Oh God, don't let me in my leg.
Yeah, buddy. There we go, right there.
Good job.
Is that the same one or another one?
Same one.
Oh, God.
Austin, y'all want a picture together?
Yeah. I wish these grippers would grab me a little bit better.
What? Got that drag a little bit on him. Oh yeah. Sea monster here, baby. Sea monster. Sea monster, that baby stripe. Sea monster.
This is by far the biggest shot out one.
Sea monster. Everybody watch your legs, Chad. I'm doing this because I don't want.
Oh, man.
I
You got a lot of fun. Probably 4 or 5 pounds. a good one. That's crazy.
Oh my God. Please. Please, Roxanne. I'm trying to save you.
A couple weeks ago, we got like 10 of them, and we went down because we were like, all right, we gotta get down.
Oh my God, he bent my hooks out.
Oh.
All right, Austin, you want to get a picture of me and you? Chad, you got your phone? You want to use my phone?
I got one. Alright. I guess all the pictures we took to send the Cody and
Yeah.
which I think it's still good.
Dude, that's a big one. Yeah, looks like it's like 5 pounds. I tried to put my kayak, my thing right here, because I got a GoPro on it too, right there recording it.
Yes,
All right. I'm trying to get to the side of you that way. Oh God, Chad, he came off.
Oh, man, what is your deal with that?
Did you hear that drag though? I'm trying to make sure I'm spread out enough for you.
Still a little shallow some spot.
Did he take my hook?
I may just have to jerk the line real slow.
Dude, I can't see nothing.
Shallow. You come off?
Yeah, he didn't ever hit it.
It's still shallow. Yeah.
I'm going over this way. So me and you just spread out a little bit. I'm just scared it's gonna hook one of our legs. Watch this.
I need a top water on. Let's see shallow.
You got one? I got one. Chad, this is big, dude. Chad, this is big, dude. Really big fish, dude. Really big fish. Really big fish. Dude, I need my daggum sharp hoe doing this. Big fish, dude. Big fish. Probably gonna need your help, Chad.
I almost dropped my net. just hard out here.
Yeah, watch it. You got your grips? Easy, Chad, easy. Grab, got him? Phew, golly. Thank you, Dad. Oh, God. Let me get this. Put mine in there. All right, you can let go of yours. Thank you, sir. Look at my tackle box. That's a... This is like the 5th one I missed. Yeah, really.
You got some owner.
No, will you get me one, please, sir? Oh. Hey, you know, I'm trying to get my...
Alright.
See it, y'all. See it, y'all. All right, wait, let me get my, see, you need one of these?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Like
on.
that.
I'm on right.
All right, pull this away from me. Okay, you need a lure, don't you?
Got one?
Yeah, but it ain't moving. Like it ain't moving. It's just hard. Oh. Oh, wait, Chad. Come over here, Chad. Hurry. I think it's a bass. Oh, God, big bass. Chad, reel your pole in, son. Please, hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. All right, whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, reel it.
It's a bass?
Yeah,
How big is it?
that's a good one. Oh. Got him. Look at that, dude.
Oh yeah.
Spotted bass. Big spotted bass.
That's a tank of a spot.
Golly. Look at that son of a gun. Man. Look at that, Chad. Sure, dude. I don't know what I did with my pole. Oh, God. I let go of my pole. It's floating down the river. Largemouth. Largemouth. Jerk bait. Come on now. Oh, so you got a deep hole right here in front of you too.
I know.
Boy, it's deep right here. Oh. Yes, sir. If y'all stop, I'll release you, buddy. There he is. Tallapoosa bass.
Oh, look at you.
Wasn't very big. There he is. Good spotted bass.
Yeah, that's a good one.
There's a wacky rig. Oops. Crocodile hunter. Crocodile hunter. Crocodile hunter. Nope. Y'all see him? Nope. He went somewhere. I touched his shell when I jumped.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, one reason we like doing the kind of fishing we're doing when it's 96 degrees. Chad, show them what we do. That's it. That's what we do. Hey, put me right here and flip me over. Put me right here. All right, get right here. Get down. All right, hold your hand and flip me back. 1, 2, 3.
I feel like you weigh 500 pounds.
Let me on your shoulders and do it.
No.
I'm sorry, can y'all do that one more time?
Duck down right there. Let me on your shoulders and just stand up. And I'll fly off the shoulders. Here, come here. No, this way. Turn this way. I don't want to go that way. All right. Go down.
I'm all the way down.
No, you got to get underwater.
No, I can't go underwater. It's too slow.
All right, go. Right there. Ready? Go. You about to give me like 3 minutes. I mean, like 20 seconds.
I
Like,
would
come
have
on.
drunk.
He said 3 minutes. Chad. Chad. Ready? Go. Dang it, dude. I almost had to do it. I had to try again.
Yeah, you want me to count? Nah, you want me to count like 5 seconds?
Yeah. Go. That hurt my belly.
How's your foot doing? You were like, I forgot about that. What? What's good?
All right, y'all. So I got a fish, and he's still on the. You see him?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, got one.
This is a, what do you call it, bass? Tallapoosa? You got a largemouth?
Yep. Hook them in the side. Some jerkbaits, dude, they just grab anywhere. You're missing it, dude. That's just a good one, too. Hey,
like it's got
cast
me.
that way. Stay right there on that rock and cast that way.
Look, straight out.
Yes, this way.
Need help or you got it?
Oh my lord. 20 pounder, dude. 20.
No, I still don't see him either. Oh! Oh, that is a good one.
Pliers. See ya. See ya.
Do you lift yours as fast as you can? What do you do with yours?
I yanked the heck out of mine, dude. Like, seriously. Huh? It's not that bad, is it? I wish we had our boards over there, though, but... I mean, I'm good right now. I'm good right now. Are you? I'm good. I have no idea how we're gonna win this. Dude, this water feels amazing, dude.
Oh my god!
That's up there, dude. Cast it way up with there.
Oh my! That's him! That's him! Oh my god! Oh, he came off!
Hey, welcome to my club. Chad, you got your drag set?
Wow, dude.
Yeah, right. Oh, there he is. Got him. He either ain't big or he's coming to me. Cast way up there, Chad.
That
Way
one
up
I
there.
just lost is big.
Way up there. He just killed the fish.
I tried to eat it.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I mean, he's a small one, but he's got a lot of power. Don't go towards my board. Hold him, Chad. Hold him, hold him, Chad. Hold him, Chad. Woo.
He's not going the way I want him to. And he's fine.
Oh God, hold on. There he is. There he is, guys. Get on here. All right, I'm loose, Chad. Where you at, buddy? All right, hold on. Let me get my dang it. Let me get my stuff situated. Hold on. Hold on, don't
I
kick
just
the-
had him miss twice.
Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, he's a big one. He's big, Chad. Oh, man,
And now he's
humongous, humongous. What are you laughing for, dude? Dude, that water gets cold. Hey, cause the boards. You're good. You're good. Don't freak. You're good.
It still looks sketchy.
Yeah, I mean, I think. Got him. Got him, Chad. Got him, Chad. Oh yeah, I'm walking up it now, Chad. We're good. Oh, wow. 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 Okay. 20 pounds, dude. Huge. Huge. He's using the current for him. Chad, if you'll help me, I'll help you.
Is it actually that big?
Yeah. He's 14 pounds. You good one? You think it's a good one? Are you good? Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold him out like this away from our boards and our feet. Hey, good one, Austin. Chad said he is anyways. That comes off.
Oh yeah. Hey, that is a good one.
Go, Chad.
No, not what I'm talking about.
No, nobody but the mouth. Yes! Yes! Thank you, sir. And I'll help you. Let me get my pliers.
You can feel it behind them.
Yeah. Hey, Chad, will you get a picture of me right quick, please, sir? Hey, that's a big one, dude.
Yeah, that's good.
40 pounds, probably.
Okay, you said 20 and then you said 15.
I may have not told the whole truth.
We caught some fish, didn't we?
Yes, sir, we did. That ain't bad though. Like, let it go.
What caused that? It didn't get snagged on
You got wet.
It does that too?
Yours does. Yours does that. Mine don't.
You do.
Yeah, it does.
I bet it's good.
Probably would have took my hair, my paddleboard busted.
I thought so too. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
How do I undo this right here?
Yeah.
All right, folks, that's gonna do it for today. We are sunburnt, as you can tell. Austin,
Good, man.
I had a good time. We caught some fish.
Yes, we did.
And Chad, we love you. Until next time.
He caught some fish too.
He caught some fish too. Until next time. We'll see y'all later.